All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2013. That's right, 2013 Toyota Tacoma. It is the 4x4 V6 model with 183, where we are calling it as is for the mileage, folks, but this car runs and drives great. We actually road tested it, so we can tell you that it does run and drive great. Premium sound system, steerable controls, super nice, and best of all, we don't damage. Front bumper looks pretty damn good. Your front hood looks good. Does seem to have a little dent there. PDR work. If you wanted to mess with that, this fender looks pretty good. I do see a little ding right there. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire third. Just under 730 seconds, really at 6. The doors look good. The quarter looks good. Here's your rear your rear driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread, just under 730 seconds. A nice shot of your bed, which it's lined. Pretty darn nice, tough lining there. Roof, I don't see any things, dents or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. As you can see, there's no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a extended cab, so it does have the side opening. Rear seats, no holes, no tears, no rips. And it's a little scratched up. Actually, it's not. This is just dirt. Needs to be taken off. And of course, these seats do swing up. Got some little storages here and stuff like that. We got some, I guess in here, you got your tow hook, tow hitch wiring and stuff like that. Jump into this vehicle. Turn off for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with one key fob, and you got your little tabs here that actually creates a new key for you. So that's all you would really need to make a new spare key. AM, FM, CD player, obviously that stuff is working. All right. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your 4x4 action here. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of 183,572. Very nice. Keep it moving. Looks great. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice here. Tow hitch and your thing there. Of course, that drops. Very nice. Got your little compartments on both sides there. All right. This quarter here looks pretty darn good. Does have a little ding there. Heavy scratch right next to it. One there and one there. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Doors look pretty decent. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, and likewise with this one, does swing up. It is a little dirty there, just like in the other one. I think the guys never brought this down to clean it, but yeah, storage compartment in here with your tools for your spare tire, which I'm sure is underneath the vehicle. If not, then it's not. It is an as-is vehicle, folks. Mileage. All right. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, if you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to call us, Scott or Wagner. You guys know our phone numbers on the listing. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.